Bring on the warm, sunshine vibes in your kitchen using a healthy mix of textures, tastes, and colors. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make a simple sheet pan meal at home that I like to call Spring Bake Sesame Salmon Oven Stir Fry. Start with preheating your oven to 425 degrees. While that's heating up, line a sheet pan with foil and spray with nonstick spray. Toss together 4 peeled and sliced medium carrots in 1 tablespoon of avocado oil and spread them out on the pan. Season the carrots with Hy-Vee salt and ground black pepper, then roast in the oven for 10 minutes. When that's done, move the roasted carrots toward one edge of the pan so you can add in a 6-ounce package of fresh snow peas, 1 red bell pepper seeded and cut into strips, and a 1/4 cup of canned sliced water chestnuts in another tablespoon of avocado oil. Pat a pound of wild Alaska salmon dry with paper towels and add to the center of the pan. Brush it with 2 tablespoons of Culinary Tours Sesame teriyaki sauce. Then bake for 6 to 8 minutes or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. Oily fish like wild Alaska salmon is rich in omega-3s, which can reduce your risk of heart disease and arthritis and boost overall happiness. Serve your salmon and vegetables over 2 cups of cooked brown rice and drizzle with additional teriyaki sauce on top. Garnish with sesame seeds if desired. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Get healthcare news, dietitian recommendations, plus exclusive offers. Sign up for our Hy-Vee Health 360 monthly newsletter at Hy-Vee.com.